Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Newly listed home. This home is move-in ready and is the best maintained home available in this subdivision. The home has had some recent upgrades including granite countertops, upgraded plumbing in kitchen and bathrooms. Why buy new when you can buy this home? The living room is open and spacious with plenty of light. The breakfast area has a convenient breakfast area with windows to the front of the home. Call today to view the home.